and welcome to another vlog. It is a snowy day here out in Jersey. I will show you. Yep, this is Blizzard Jonas or something. Jonas, I don't know. Yeah, but we have a foot of snow and another foot is coming. But it's room prepping day. I have my spackle, I have my drop cloth, I have a cat, I have my work clothes on, and I'm ready to spackle this place. My brother made so many holes in the wall over there with all his posters, so all of them have to be filled, and then we'll get to move on. I'm so excited. So this is what I look like right now. Whew. I'm wearing these glasses because I didn't want to get my good glasses dirty with sawdust. Not sawdust, sand, dust. So we spackled and sanded everything. Now we're getting ready to wipe down the walls. There are some spots that need to be like really washed. Then we're going to let it dry, vacuum, and then painting may come. So this is what it looks like. It's gonna look very similar. So excited! Okay, so it is a couple hours later. We finished most of my room. There's one spot that had to be spackled again, but it's all done. It's all white and it's all perfect. We just came out from outside from snowboarding and shoveling. My feet is so cold. We have about 16 inches to 2 feet, somewhere between there, and they're saying that we can get up to 30 inches. So I'm gonna have lots of pictures tomorrow, so I will show you guys because it's dark now, but yay! And just like that, my room is kind of back together. It's 10:30. I'm exhausted. I've kind of put my room where I think I want it. I have my window, I have my bed, I have my 2 nightstands. I have my dresser with my TV on. I'm not really sure how I want to do it. I think my bookcase that I'm going to get is going to go either there or over there under the light switch. I have my big dresser here. My big mirror is going to go on top. My full body mirror is going to go in the corner there. That lamp is going to leave. I want to get a lamp for this, and then I want to get matching lamps for my night table and a bed frame, and that's just a big mess because all that stuff has to be put away. This stuff is going to be hung tomorrow. I have laundry to do, but I'm so happy with it. It looks exactly like it did, but it's cool white, and I really like it. And once everything's up, I can't wait. I've already been thinking about where I want to hang everything, and tomorrow that will happen. But I'm going to end tonight's vlog. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!